Let's take a look at the radar because we are tracking some spotty downpours making its way into Okeechobee County right now, also tracking towards Okeechobee. This coming from the southeast, working its way to the northwest. Martin County also tracking some heavy rainfall here and there, moving across Indiantown, also up through Hope Sound and Stewart. And there's a little bit more rainfall developing offshore, this working its way towards North Palm Beach County and Martin County. In the meantime, from West Palm Beach down into Boca Raton, you're mainly quiet. You have some clouds overhead, but we have seen some peaks of sunshine off into the distance there. So more of the same throughout the day, cloudy, peaks of sunshine, and could be running into some spotty downpours here and there. Those winds, though, they'll pick up out of the east-southeast throughout the day, up to 15 to 25 miles per hour. We've seen some gusts even higher than that overnight last night. If you live around Port St. Lucie, reported wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Definitely not as strong as what we saw last night, but still seeing some gusts up to 38 miles per hour in Fort Pierce and 33 in West Palm Beach. There is a wind advisory in place for the Treasure Coast. This goes until 7 o'clock this evening. We also have a couple of flood watches in place. This one for St. Lucie and Martin County goes until 7 o'clock, and this one for Palm Beach County goes all the way until tomorrow evening. Tropical storm warning still in place for the offshore waters of the Treasure Coast. Here's a look at the latest track for the National Hurricane Center, showing winds at 60 miles per hour. Ada moving to the southwest at 14 miles per hour. We'll continue to move to the southwest throughout the next day or so, curving up to the north and then approaching Florida maybe Friday and Saturday. I want to show you the latest computer models, though, because most of them now taking a path away from us here in Florida. In fact, the National Hurricane Center shifting their track a little bit more to the west. So we'll keep you in the loop of with the latest computer models, of course, the latest track with Ada, but there's a potential that we could see this storm shift a little bit more away from us. In the meantime, we are going to be dealing with some heavy rainfall possibly throughout the day from time to time today. And James, we do have a couple of other things going on in the tropics. We don't like to see that, but
yeah, I hate to pour salt in the wound here, but we got to talk about a couple other areas here. One of them we don't have anything to worry about, and the other one we'll just keep an eye on. First, that's this one right here. This is the birthplace of the last two, so of course we'll keep an eye on this here. Not a big chance to develop in the next few days. Down the road, though, we're talking maybe the weekend or even going into next week. Conditions are favorable, so something could develop down here in the tropics. Remember, hurricane season does go through November 30th, so technically we're still in the season here. It's not out of the question to get storms in November. This one we're not going to have to worry about. This is really an extratropical low that's making a tropical transition or even subtropical, and it will scoot away from us. This could be named here very soon, has a high chance here, as it does look like it's getting a little deep convection right near the center. So if it does and you hear of a storm form today or even tomorrow, it's going to be Theta, and that's moving away from us. So we've gone through quite a bit of names. If we do get Theta to form, that will beat the record to 2005. And then the next name on the list there is Iota, so we'll keep an eye out for that one. Here, though, we're looking at still some passing showers and squalls moving on through from time to time. If Vipercast really keeps this going, it's not going to be a constant thing, and in between we'll see some sunshine. But keep in mind, every now and then we'll get some of these to really blow on through. Heavy rainfall with them, gusty winds, and then returning to partly sunny skies. And this really is the case for the next several days. We've got to keep an eye out for possibly a little line setting up that doesn't move for a little bit. Then we'll look at the chance for some flooding still there. We have a flood watch, as Kate said, that still goes until Tuesday. So high rain chances here all the way through Wednesday, actually. Then some dry air finally arrives on Friday. 7-day forecast here, mid-80s for highs. Looking at things starting to dry out by the end of the week.